Suno V5 music model tutorial and review. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with using Suno V5, which has now been labeled as one of the world's best AI music models. So let's jump right in. To get started with Suno V5, you're going to have to go on over into suno.com. Once you head on over into Suno.com, you're going to have to purchase a subscription on Suno AI Music because this is not available on their free version. And I will be discussing pricing more in detail at the end of this video, but their plans start at $10 a month and their premier plan is $30 a month. Once you've signed up and purchased your subscription, you can proceed on by clicking on Create on the left. Once you click on Create, you have two options. You can select Simple or Custom. On your top left, you will also see the number of credits you have remaining. From your top right, you will see the ability to select your model. If you want the highest quality possible, you're going to opt for V5, which gives you authentic vocals, superior audio quality, and control. You can use V5 in both the simple version and the custom version. The simple version is very simplified, whereas the custom version gives you more details where you can control the style, the lyrics, and the overall aesthetic of your song. Now you can click on audio if you want to upload your own audio or record your own audio. You can click on persona to add one of your own personas, and you can even add your own inspiration. Now I'm going to click on over here with the lyrics box. I'm going to click on the top right, and then I'm going to ask you to write a full song. So I want to write a complete song about feeling hopeful and making the most of every day and situation. And I want to follow the classic lyric model. And I'm going to let it write the lyrics for me. Now you can obviously write your own lyrics. This is totally up to you. And I'm just going to go with the first option here. Once I do that, I can choose the style that I want. So for me today, you guys can see we have some suggested styles on the bottom as well, but I want to go with a pop style. And I can click on this magic icon over here to convert this into a more pop style song. Once I do that, I can go into advanced options and I can exclude certain styles. So if I don't want it to have any rap, if I don't want it to have any hip hop or jazz or any particular style, then I can simply add that in an exclusion. Then it will specifically not include that type of style. Then I'm going to choose my vocal gender and the weirdness that I want. I'm going to turn up the weirdness a little, and then we have style influence. Then you're just going to click on create and your brand new song will be created. It only takes a few seconds for your song to get started with its generation. And you guys can see on the right side, our song is currently being created. So now we have the first version. So our first version has now been created and it's currently processing. You will see this processing icon that is moving along, and you can even further edit the songs. So you can remix and edit these. You can create, you can add them to your queue. You can also share this song and download it. Now you have two variations of the song that will be created, and you can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, which will help the AI in understanding what type of music you prefer to create. Now I'll show you guys what this song sounds like so you guys can also hear what AI music with Suno AI is going to sound like and how it is no less than a real song.
Sound of rain, stars like red skies, you can't fix. Gray and tall, mine, trust it with. I'm a moving so say it's you. Keeps taking time to do still spin. It's been your strokes in my head on clear. Oh, it's got chance.
So you guys can see this is what the song sounds like. It's a pretty amazing song, and what you can do is that you can remix this song. So if I like certain elements of one song, I can click on this over here, and then I can click on Open in Studio, where I can proceed into the Suno AI Studio. You can also go into cover and cover this song in a different voice. You can also extend this as well as replace different sections within the song as well. Now I'm going to take the same lyrics and I'm going to change the style to a cinematic movie-like song with tempo building up. and I can click on this icon over here where it will process my request, where the cinematic piece opens, sparse piano, atmospheric pads, gradually layering in strings and subtle percussions, momentum rises, so on and so forth. Now I can proceed, and I'm going to keep the weirdness a bit low for this, and then I'm going to click on create, and we'll have a cinematic version or a different version of the same song, and you will see how it adapts the audio and how it's going to adapt the overall sound of the song accordingly. So we're going to take a look at what this sounds like when we want a more cinematic version of the same lyrics. So primarily the song is the same.
Soft see skies can scream. Drops your puddles of dance. Some stage,
So you guys can now hear how wonderful this sounds, and in this way you can create any style of music that you like. Now you can use V5 for only $10 a month on their Pro plan. This gives you 2,500 credits, which creates up to 500 songs and refreshes every month. You also have the access to adding different personas and advanced editing with priority queues and ability to purchase add-on credits. And on their Premier plan for $30 a month, you have Suno Studio, as well as access to 10,000 credits, which gets you around 2,000 songs. You can upload and split songs into 12 vocal and instrument stems, and upload 8 minutes of your own audio to convert into a song. And just like so, you can get started with Suno AI's V5, one of the best AI music generators out there. It's a very easy to use tool that provides you with diversity and gives you a creative outlet like no other. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.